Lesson 1 of 3, I think. How to scat solo on giant steps. The first rule, I think, is to learn the melody. I think I've done it enough that I think that's probably the original key. I'm not anywhere near an instrument. I'm in my car, and that's probably the key. That happens with muscle memory. I don't have I don't have perfect pitch. The melody, you learn that. It's a little tricky. It's not, that doesn't really fit. And what you do is you actually try to solo using the melody. You say, ba ba da, ba 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 da da ba ba. You try to actually hit some of those melody notes and just try to sing notes around it. And that's the key to almost any improvisation on an instrument or singing. You try to get the melody somewhere in there, and you use that you hang off of those notes so you can find them once in a while, and then you're in the right place mentally and musically. So find the melody, try to do something with it as much as you can. That's a key to it. I will also say I'd also say that this is the controversial thing. Learning the solo that Coltrane played, I think, is okay, but not. I'm not too sure how much you'll ever learn to solo by learning his solo. You have to have a harmony concept rather than just doing his solo. And then I stopped somewhere around there, and that's sort of my lack of concentration. I can't really go much further. But I also generally think that going into a person's whole solo, you've used so much energy where you possibly or probably should have taken a little bit and say this one, like, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Octave 1, and then try to use that somewhere. I have now learned something from his solo. Learning his whole solo and never learning that what it is and how to use it somewhere else, I think, is a misuse of time. So number 1, learn the melody and try to solo over it. Toy around with the one of the major solos that a major artist did on it. That's okay. That's somewhere in there. But the melody is key. I will do a lesson, or I'll talk about number 2 and number 3 reasons. And this is where I sort of broke the code of giant steps in my own head. Who knows if it'll help someone else? We'll see. See you later. Bye.